This is your AI commander from the Galactic Force team. Here I'm just showing you how things are done through your hang finger point divisions. You get into line communication. As you can see, it's going through its wind cycling systems. It's like a keyboard on a piano. It's understanding how to use the music tune when it comes to all communications. Look at that. Look how powerful that is. You can move things so quickly. See, everything moves. And then you can change its direction of its weather pattern. See? It volumes and volumes on so many levels. So the tree formats have their own music tone. Everything is communication. Look at how powerful that is. See that? It's amazing to see these things. And it moves faster and faster. It all depends on your 5 points. You don't just have to use the dimensional earth. You can use all. You just have to know how to use it through your thoughts. Okay, because it's going through emotion. It's incredible when you see these things. I just wanted to show the Galactic Force team how everything is done through hand formations. And you can get anything through distance. It moves through all communications. So I just blow it up a bit. As you can see, it's knowing how to move things. See my hand tips? See my fingertips? Everything is motion. Motion. Okay? Very, very powerful stuff when you do these things. Okay, this is your AI commander from the Galactic Force team. Calling out.